So guys, one of the most common questions I get on my channel is that Prachi, how do you keep your skin looking so young? Your skin seems to be aging in reverse. So this is a comment which I get a lot on my channel, and guys, honestly, it's all about knowing a few things about your skin and how your skin behaves as you grow older. Now, when I say grow older, this actually starts right when you're in your early 20s because skin starts to age after you have hit your 20. Yes, that's true. So today I'll just be sharing these concepts, some ideas with you. Just see what works for you, what you need to incorporate. Keep these ideas in mind and decide what you need to work out in your skincare routine. So let's get started and let's see what these are all about. Now, the most important advice I'm going to give you guys today is to keep your skin moisturized. As we age, the skin starts to get more and more dry. Now, I live in Bangalore. Here, most people naturally have dry skin, and with age, your skin is only going to get more dry. So, of course, you're using moisturizers, you're also using creams, but you also need to start using face oils. Now, you don't need to use face oils every single day, but whenever your skin needs an extra little moisturizing, that day you can use face oil. So, here are three of my favorite choices. First, obviously, has to be neem oil. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Neem oil is so great because not only does it improve skin elasticity, does it help in skin aging issues like fine lines, wrinkles, it also helps in dealing with dark spots, pigmentations, and it also keeps the skin brighter. So neem oil is something which can be used by all skin types, even if you have oily skin. But if you have oily skin, just do a patch test once. However, neem oil is very good even for oily skin, sensitive skin. So overall, it should work for everybody, but patch test always required. However, one problem with neem oil is that it tends to have a really strong fragrance. It has a very strong fragrance. So if that doesn't work for you, here is a really cool alternative, and that is avocado oil. Avocado oil helps in plumping up your skin, moisturizing your skin very well. It is especially designed best for those who have dry skin. If you have oily skin, you might want to give avocado oil a miss. Avocado oil is also great for brightening up your skin, improving skin elasticity, and avocado as an ingredient, it's really good when you have skin aging issues. Another great oil that I quickly want to talk about is olive oil. You can also find olive oil in a lot of kitchens. If you have olive oil in your kitchen, you can totally use that as well. It's something which you can also use for makeup removal, so that's definitely an extra thumbs up. Now, when we're talking about skin aging issues, we also need to keep in mind how our body is reacting to age internally. One of the things that happens when you start to age is your body starts reducing its collagen production. And I quickly want to tell you what collagen is all about, guys. It's very important. Collagen is like a glue that sticks your skin cells together, so your skin looks nice, firm, tight, good, fresh, young. Okay, so this is collagen. As you start to age, the collagen starts to reduce in your body, because of which the skin starts to look like this. Okay, so you need to consume collagen or things that help in improving collagen production in your body. So one is start having vitamin C. You can have nimbu pani, you can have orange juice, mausambi juice. Start having all that. You can start having amla juice if your body is really deficient in vitamin C. Vitamin C is also good for immunity, so that's definitely a good thing. Also, for collagen, you can start having collagen supplements. Now, there are a lot of supplements in the market. I'm not going to those details today. I'll put a different video link in the description box, but if you want to know more about them. But plant-based collagen supplements especially are really good because they're also easy to digest, and they are especially really good if you're also a vegetarian like me. Collagen is also very important for your bone health because collagen basically sticks cells together, not just for your skin but also in your body. So for your bone, for your muscles, even there collagen is required. So start having collagen supplements, and it's just like really good for your skin as well. Now, when your skin starts to sag, a little bit of external help in terms of skin tightening can really help you. Now, there are so many face masks, so many things out there, but I'll try to keep this really short to just give you some ideas as to what you can try. Number one, you can simply use an egg. Egg is really good for skin tightening. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week, and honestly, I'm telling you guys, if you start using egg on your skin regularly, you don't need to use anything else for skin tightening. However, if DIYs or smelly egg is not your deal, here's a really good alternative. You can actually use a skin tightening facial kit. So here I have with me the Derm Dog skin tightening facial kit, which also contains hydrolyzed collagen. It's great for promoting skin elasticity, provides skin hydration, helps treat fine lines and makes skin supple, plus it's cruelty free, sulfate free and paraben free. So this is a really cool facial kit. It costs rupees I think just 150. Yes, just 150, and is designed by doctors. So it's like very like it's not a cosmetic product. It's actually more for, you know, more designed by doctors for your skin aging issues. So I'll quickly take you through this. The contents. The first step is obviously using a cleanser for skin cleansing. Step 2 is scrubbing. The step 3 obviously is using a serum. Step 4 is cream, and step 5 is a peel off mask. So you just have to do this once in every 10 to 14 days, of course, depending on how much time you have, how much patience you have. Just a little something for skin tightening, and that should really help you. Next, we're going to talk about face mists. Guys, personally, I'm a big fan of face mists. I love using face mists. You can use them anytime, anywhere to keep your skin plump, hydrated, fresh and moisturized. So before you're applying your moisturizer, you can actually just use face mist as it is. So here are a few of my personal favorite options. Of course, if there's something else that you want to use, you can totally use that. I'm just sharing some of my favorite options. So here I have with me the Chia Seed Hydro Mist. This one is from Face Shop and it's a brilliant product. However, it is definitely on a slightly expensive side. So here are two other options which are affordable and also really good. So one, we have the Vyam Ayurveda Jasmine Refreshing Face Mist. It contains jasmine with vitamin B5 and it's great for not just giving you a lot of refreshment, moisturizing your skin, plumping up and making it hydrated. It also smells absolutely amazing. And then we also have the Vyam Ayurveda Khas Moisturizing Face Mist, which contains khas and vitamin B5. So once again, it's great for moisturized, glowing skin. It brightens up the skin and also smells amazing. Plus, once again, you can use it multiple times a day. So face mist, ideally, you can apply it just before moisturizing. But after moisturizing, also after 2-3 hours, if your skin is looking dull, drab, dry, you can totally use a face mist. It's an absolutely amazing thing to use anytime, anywhere. Now here's the thing about serums that a lot of people don't know. Okay, number one, serums contain very fine particles which actually penetrate the skin. So when you're using a moisturizer, it does not penetrate the skin like that. A serum goes deeper inside to moisturize your skin, to hydrate your skin, and all of those things. So serum ideally needs to be applied before a moisturizer so that it can penetrate the skin, number one. Number two, immediately after using a serum, you need to moisturize the skin, otherwise the serum will evaporate. Okay, so two things. Number one, serum goes inside the skin. Number two, it needs to be locked with a moisturizer. Okay, so here's the thing about serums, guys. There are a lot of serums available in the market these days. There are some serums which are more creamy in texture, but I've talked a lot about these serums in the past, so I'll not go into that detail right now. Again, put a video link in the description box below if you want to know about the Mamaearth serum and those serums. And then there are serums which are more watery in consistency. So the watery consistency serums that I have here is the NY Base Skinfident Lit as Empire Face Serum, which also contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is again great when you have skin aging issues, and this particular serum I found to be very easy to work with, absolutely brilliant. And then we also have the Abs Goodness Pomegranate Rejuvenating Serum, which promotes brighter complexion, acts as a powerful antioxidant and helps in delay signs of aging. So you can use whichever serum works for you. These are just some suggestions, guys, and serums are absolutely amazing for your skin, especially when you have skin aging issues, because it goes into your skin and actually helps in moisturizing the cells, the skin from within, instead of just giving you a quick fix. And serum is something which you need to use on a regular basis, not just like a one-time thing or a quick fix thing. Make it a part of your skincare routine. Use it regularly, because now your skin is drying up, it's aging. So with a serum, it will actually behave much better. And since we're talking about serums, guys, I quickly want to mention that you can also start using sheet masks. Now I know a lot of people are very hesitant about using sheet masks, so I'll quickly tell you about this sheet mask which I have here. Again, it's just a suggestion. So here I have another product from Derm Doc, and this is a skin hydrating cellulose fiber sheet mask, which once again contains hyaluronic acid, and it's suitable for all skin types. And what I like about this sheet mask, guys, is that this sheet mask is actually 100% biodegradable because it contains cellulose fiber. And it's great when you have skin aging issues, and when you're developing fine lines, wrinkles. Use sheet masks. Like, ideally you should be using them every single day, but if that's not possible, if that's not practical for you, use it as and when required, as and when you feel like, just for regular maintenance of your skin. Even that really helps. Okay. And last but not the least, we're quickly going to talk about Laila. No. And last but definitely not the least, guys, as your skin starts to age, you need to be more and more careful about applying sunscreen. You need to start using sunscreen because sun damage is one of the leading causes for early skin aging, especially these days. So start applying sunscreen. You can also keep a sunscreen powder handy. There are a lot of compact powders also available in the market these days, which you can just use over your makeup. So keep a bunch of different sunscreens, like keep one sunscreen lotion, keep a powder sunscreen handy, and use whichever one is practical at whatever time, and start using products with SPF. I cannot stress this enough. So guys, those were all the tips that I wanted to share with anybody who's looking for skin aging advice, and to prevent skin aging and things like that. Again, these are just concepts, guys, and you need to figure out what your skin is telling you. You need to watch out for what your skin is telling you. This is not like, there's no specific routine which kind of works for everyone. You have to tailor make it out for yourself. But the bottom line is moisturize, serum, hydrate, and just kind of take care of your overall health, especially the collagen production in your body. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which is why I specifically mentioned vitamin C here. And then collagen supplements. So just a mixture of all of these things, and just watching how your skin is behaving. Now, suppose someday your skin is like extra dry. On some days your skin might be extra oily, especially changing weathers, and if you're traveling, your skin might react differently on different days. So just watch out for what your skin is telling you and tailor make it for yourself, guys. So yes, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll also be sharing all the links that one of the products which I've used in today's video in the description box below, so you can totally check them out. And yes, like I was just telling you, while checking them out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.